tired of traditional investments? Discover why millennials are turning to cryptocurrency. Explore the benefits of its decentralized structure and secure blockchain technology that's changing the future of finance. Don't miss out on this exciting trend. According to a recent study conducted by Bankless Times, a leading financial news source, a staggering 67% of respondents aged 27 to 42 consider Bitcoin to be a safe haven asset. This figure is a clear indication that millennials are increasingly recognizing the value and potential of cryptocurrency as a reliable investment option. In fact, previous polls have shown that millennials are among the most active demographic groups in the cryptocurrency space and have a much friendlier outlook on it than older generations. As digital currencies continue to gain prominence and legitimacy in the mainstream financial world, it's becoming increasingly clear that Bitcoin is emerging as an important asset for millennials to consider. With its decentralized structure, fixed supply, and secure blockchain technology, Bitcoin has the potential to offer a level of security and stability that traditional financial instruments simply cannot match. And as more and more millennials begin to recognize this fact, it's likely that Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies will continue to grow in popularity as a legitimate investment option for years to come. Overall, it's clear that the rise of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies is no longer just a passing fad, but rather a significant shift in the way we think about money and investing. And with millennials leading the way in this trend, it's likely that the future of finance will be shaped by the ongoing evolution of digital currencies and the technologies that power them. As per the views expressed by Jonathan Mary, CEO of Bankless Times, Bitcoin has become an increasingly vital investment instrument for millennials in recent times. With its potential to offer financial freedom and allow for diversification in times of economic uncertainty, the primary cryptocurrency has emerged as a go-to option for younger investors seeking to secure their financial futures. This trend is particularly evident among millennials, or those born between 1981 and 1996, who are generally more open to digital innovations and new ways of thinking about money. Compared to previous generations like Generation X and baby boomers, younger individuals are more likely to deal with Bitcoin and other digital assets, recognizing the potential benefits they can provide in terms of financial security and independence. Despite the growing popularity of cryptocurrencies among millennials, however, older individuals remain predominantly conservative in their investment choices. Many still prefer to stick to fiat currencies and express skepticism toward the crypto sector, viewing it as too risky or volatile for their liking. This generational divide in investment attitudes is likely to persist for some time, with younger investors continuing to lead the way in adopting new technologies and seeking out alternative investment options. The results of the survey conducted among millennials are telling. Most of the respondents believe that Bitcoin will eventually go mainstream in the coming years, indicating a growing acceptance and recognition of the asset's potential in the wider financial world. In fact, many of them see Bitcoin as a better monetary tool than traditional national currencies like the dollar, euro, or yen. This growing preference for Bitcoin over fiat currencies can be attributed to several factors, including the asset's decentralized nature and limited supply cap, which are widely regarded as its most essential merits. These features make Bitcoin an attractive investment option for millennials seeking to hedge against inflation and protect their wealth in times of economic uncertainty. Furthermore, the survey revealed that a significant proportion of millennials classify Bitcoin as a safe haven asset, indicating that they view it as a reliable store of value that can provide a level of stability and security that traditional financial instruments cannot match. This view is likely to continue gaining traction in the coming years, as more and more investors recognize the potential benefits of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies as a legitimate investment option. One of the key advantages of Bitcoin is its decentralization, which means it operates outside of the control of central banks and governments. As a result, it is not subject to the dubious monetary policies that governments sometimes introduce, which can have a detrimental effect on the value of traditional currencies. With a maximum supply of only 21 million coins, many investors believe that Bitcoin could serve as a hedge against inflation, particularly in the face of the record inflation that has been seen in many countries in recent times. In contrast to the limited supply of Bitcoin, central banks around the world have printed colossal amounts of money during the COVID-19 crisis to support households and businesses affected by the pandemic. This move, along with other factors, has led to a significant increase in inflation in many countries. In the USA, for example, the rate hit 9.1% in June last year, marking a 4-decade high. In this environment, many millennials have turned to Bitcoin as a more stable and secure investment option, recognizing its potential to protect their wealth from the impact of inflation. Furthermore, the scarcity of Bitcoin could potentially lead to an increase in its valuation against the USD in the future, as demand for the asset remains strong. This could make it an even more attractive investment option for those seeking to diversify their portfolios and protect their financial futures. According to a study conducted in 2021, 36% of millennials and 51% of Generation Z were willing to receive part of their salaries in Bitcoin, indicating a growing acceptance of cryptocurrencies as a legitimate form of payment. Even during the bear market in 2022, millennials and Gen Z continue to show interest in digital assets, with 40% of U.S. millennials identified as hodlers, viewing crypto as a more appealing investment tool than mutual funds. And it's not just short-term investments they're interested in. Many young investors are contemplating including digital assets in their retirement plans, with 45% of millennials and 46% of Gen Z considering this as an option. This trend is not limited to personal investments either, as almost half of participants in a Charles Schwab survey have already invested in cryptocurrencies outside of their 400 and 1,000 accounts. It's clear that the younger generations are not afraid to take risks and explore new investment opportunities, and it will be interesting to see how this trend continues to evolve in the years to come. Thanks for tuning in and exploring the world of cryptocurrency with us. We hope you found this video informative and eye-opening. As you've seen, cryptocurrency offers a unique investment opportunity with its secure and decentralized structure that traditional financial instruments simply can't match. With the rise of digital currencies and the increasing adoption by mainstream investors, it's an exciting time to be a part of this financial revolution. So whether you've already invested in cryptocurrency or considering it for the first time, we encourage you to stay informed and stay ahead of the curve. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.